One volunteer here inside the stage. You want? Come. I choose one. Okay. Did you bring some dollar?
Dollar.
$1. You have one? Oh, thank you. $1.
Sis, wala kang dollar.
Oh, $1. Hey, change my mind. Can I have a 100? Okay, $1 here. What is your name? Anna? Okay, my name is RG. My nickname is Bolong. Long for short.
Long. Long for short.
Please, can you write your name?
Komedyante ba ito? Magician.
Don't worry. Okay, your big letter, please. My name. Anna. Look, Anna. Okay, so now, okay, you see? Yes. Anna is there, right? Okay, write down your number, your credit card number and PIN number.
Si komedyante yata ito.
Kasi I'm a magician. Wait a minute.
Ito komedyante.
I want to see you. Down.
Komedyante mo. Ang big screen na.
Watch. You see there? I fold it in half. Okay. And I fold it again. And I fold it again. Watch. And I fold it. Okay. You see that? Okay. I put it in my left hand. And I stop my finger as I do. Look. Okay. Watch. I give you no. I give you one.
Comedy mo.
Okay,
Magic wallet nyo.
Kamera.
Bas, kamari. Anak. Boom!
Open.
Sobrang dikit na yan na.
Ikaw is, iwan ang pinanggan. Oh, watch. This is the zipper. I open the zipper. Watch. I will look at him. Anna!
Wow! Ana! Magic!
For you. Sorry.
Lighter. May lighter pa. Oh, more. More, Archie.
Okay. Thank you very much. So I will show you a card tricks. Anybody volunteer here? Why you don't clap?
Magic.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. One more volunteer. You want? Come here.
Volunteer.
You see the camera? So, it's a card mix, okay?
Ito
What?
yung ano.
All mixed card. First thing we need to shuffle. We need to shuffle first. Use the camera. Okay. What? Okay. So, look, everything's different, right? Mix. Yeah. Mix all together. Okay. I give you this card. You choose one. This one. Okay, mix it. Shuffle. It's better you shuffle like this for professional. Okay. You mix also this. Let's go to sleep later, huh? So, face down. Choose one. You want this? Okay, make it face up. Half of this, face up. Okay, face up. And face down. You want to mix? You can mix like this, okay? So easy. Oh, it's like, it's better I mix with you.
See, mix.
Alright? One more time. You make it face up. Okay. I mix for you. Oh, you want to mix? Okay.
Kulit ang puto.
Okay. You want me to mix again? So, of course, I mix better like this. Okay. What time is it? So, now, the cards mix together. Of course. You see?
Some are facing up, some are facing down.
You see? So, I have a prediction. Okay? Here, wait. On my prediction, can you read it now?
Face down. 24 face down.
Okay. Can you count the cards face down? If they're there. Face down. No. Spread and count. Face down. This face down.
Okay.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Pare-parehas
11,
yan.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
Binalasan.
24.
yes!
Right?
See?
The rest?
Rest?
Your face down? No.
No.
Okay. So, prediction, ha? Prediction.
Isa pa. Galing.
Listen to me, but 13 reds. Can you have a look if you have 13 reds?
13 reds. Here.
No, there. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13 red, ha?
Meron pa.
Di ba yan? Prediction is 11 black.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
All even.
Not 11 blacks, but it's all even. What is
Even
it?
number.
Like a light boat, right? 2, 4, 6. Light boat number 2, number 4, number 6.
Even number.
Have a look. 10, 6.
4, 2, 8, 4, 2, 10, 7.
Oh, ay. Kapot. 6.
Meron yan.
All even.
No, 7.
Joke lang yan.
Ah, behind.
Wow!
Wow. Thank you so much. And as well, guys, if you didn't know, Matty is very talented kid, I'm telling you. If you would like to discover more about his talent, then you're gonna